Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the iPad screen stay on. So for this what you need to do is you need to go to the settings of your iPad. So simply go to the settings here. So once you are here, now from the left hand side you need to scroll down and find display and brightness option. So here it is, display and brightness. Now you can see one of the options as auto lock, which is set for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes the screen will auto lock itself. Okay, so in order to change it, simply click on here auto lock. Now you can see one of the options as never. Okay, you need to simply click on never, and now your iPad will stay on and it will not auto lock itself. Okay, however it is not recommended, so you should set a time 10 minutes, 15 minutes, okay, something like that. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.